I got a new one here, which is a Kraken clone off of AliExpress. It's probably my favorite bottle song I own. It has quite a bit of tap, but I can fix that with some Loctite. And play is like almost nothing. Also, this little green thingy is actually glow in the dark. I tried showing it on camera, but it just doesn't show, which is annoying. But it's really sick to just flip with it in the dark. It's really nice. Balance is really fucking awesome. Yeah, I would really recommend this one. Even if you're a beginner, it is quite heavy for a beginner, probably. Probably for a beginner, it is quite heavy, but it's so good.